Hello. To start our series, we're going to go over the stuffers, which is an acronym for sound, tongue, fingers, flexibility, etudes or music, and then range. So that pronounces stuffer. The first part of that in the sound we'd like to go over is what do you do with a beginner to open their sound? The first thing I really work on is to see how they're playing, how they're buzzing, where they're putting the mouthpiece, and if they're getting a buzz. Of course, we know if they're not getting a where all four corners of the lips are equally vibrating and resonating as the air goes by it, they're not going to get a sound. Most beginners start with one part or two parts of a lip either tucked in too far or that they are too tight, and then they can't get their sound like this. You see, when I relax those couple parts on the lip that were too tight, then the sound comes. So it's very important to start there, which is another reason for the buzz method and for the burp. The burp helps to hear if they are buzzing. If we hear buzz, rather than buzz and air, then we know they have a pure sound and all the lips are buzzing together and ringing like a champagne glass. So that is the first part of getting their sound, is see how are the lips doing, how are they buzzing, how is the mouthpiece sitting on the lips, and are they able to get a buzz without the mouthpiece, and are they able to put the mouthpiece on. And if they can do that, we're all set. So, next section we'll look at the next way we open our sound.